about someone new. You know there's so much to say, but you hide it in that face and it don't work. You see through.
The package in order. I'm so grateful. I'm always grateful when somebody places an order. I got my bubble wrap here because these items are kind of fragile. Let me show you. So I would never admit this to my mom, but these were her ideas. So she wanted to add this to the site. I wasn't for it, but as soon as we put it on the site, of course somebody placed an order for it, and I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of shocked. These are men watches. This is how it looks. She's gonna laugh when she sees this video, but yeah, so this person purchased 2 watches, and this is the second one. This is how it looks. I think they're okay. Well, actually they're nice. Yeah, I don't know, for some reason I did not want to add this to the site, but my mom, she proved me wrong like always. But yeah, never tell her I said that. And with every purchase, somebody gets a gift over a certain amount, of course. So this is the present that she's getting. So it's a woman who purchased the order, but she's buying it as a gift for someone. So that's why we gave her, I guess, women items. And it's filled to the top with free samples of stuff. Yeah, we don't play. We don't play when it comes to our customers. We gave them a coupon code for their next purchase. A lot of nice goodies, and we get her some stuff for men because it's a men's gift. Does that make sense? It makes sense to me, but yeah, so we have to wrap this up real quick. I guess I can well, yeah, of course I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, let's show you. Come on. Don't mind my room, it's a mess over here. Yeah, the struggle's real, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I might have to crop all this mess out, but yeah, you get the gist of it. So first, of course, I'm gonna wrap it with, oh my god, I don't have any scissors. Okay. I don't have any scissors over here, but it's fine. Any scissors. So we're gonna do it the ghetto way. Make sure you guys don't see nothing. I should put some clothes on. Everybody, when I go on live, they say the same thing. They put clothes on when I do my videos. But it's fine. It's cute like this. Don't judge me, guys. I probably need some tape too, huh? I need a lot of stuff. But every order, I do take pride in it. Like, literally, every order, I enjoy packaging. It means the world, you know? Now, I know this package is going to be overweight, and it's fine. We're going to cover it. But, oh yeah, this is, oh, it fits perfect in here. Okay. Airs out. I'm covering it because I don't want you guys to see the address. So our package is ready to go. I need to throw something on, and we're gonna run to the post office before they're closed. And then when I get back, I have an idea for a new video to, well, I can't even speak, guys. I don't know why I gone to that, but I have an idea for a new video to record. I don't know if I should put some makeup on or not. But I just got some packages that I ordered. I know I have my own clothing store and I still shop. I know. My mom gets on me all the time. But it was a sale. I couldn't resist a sale. So I want to do a video on another try on haul for that. So yeah, I think I probably should do some makeup. It depends how I feel once I come back. But we need to ship this because this is priority. Let's go. Go ahead. Thank you. I want to do something really simple with my makeup. Maybe just I don't know, just probably foundation maybe, I don't know, but I kind of do want to put on some makeup. I'm going to go on live, so I'll probably just do my eyes and I'm gonna hop on live because I need to build my account. Now I'm gonna go on live on TikTok. I'm addicted to TikTok, and I recommend everyone start a TikTok account because it's so easy to grow. Like, I have 20,000 followers, over 20,000 followers now on TikTok, and I only been on TikTok for about a year now. But mind you, I don't have a large following. Like on Instagram, I only have about 1,000 followers. On YouTube, I have about 2,000. So I'm like, that's crazy. And I've been on those two apps for, well, I don't know if it's the app, whatever. But I have been on both of the YouTube and TikTok for the longest. You know what I mean? And like my account hasn't been growing as fast as TikTok. So I'm like, I'm so impressed. So TikTok is easy to grow. I'm just gonna say it's easy to grow on there. So I'm about to get on live there, like I always do. But I need to do this makeup. So this makeup is gonna be simple. Like I said earlier, I'm making a mess, and it's like my phone's charging right now too. So I put too much of this on the side. So I'm gonna keep the camera on until the camera dies, and then once it dies, I'm gonna wait until the other battery pack comes back on. But until then, I'm just gonna yeah, I'm supposed to do my makeup and then go on live, like I said. So basically, everything's charging. I have my second battery pack charging and my phone's charging for me to go on live. So we're good. Ugh. Alright, I need to play some music. It's so quiet in here. Let's play some music.
America's most reliable network is going ultra with Verizon 5G ultra wideband now in many more cities. Hey, it's Mindy! Downloading a movie up to 10.
Yo, so I finished doing this. Okay, sorry. So I just finished filming the video of the try-on haul. I'm gonna link it below because hopefully that video is up before this one is up. I'm still on live on. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm still live on TikTok, so I'm a little distracted. So I'm about to just. I'm a lot distracted actually. Where's my face mask? I need to clean my face, and then I'm gonna stay on live for a minute. Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna clean my face. Hold on, let me get my wipes real quick. Alright. Oh, this is it. Alright, I sent you a request. Okay. So I'm going to just wipe my face. Today gonna be a really chill day. It's 8 o'clock at night. I just want to... Hi guys. Hi. Welcome. So, I'm just going to finish cleaning my face. I'm going to work on these videos that I just recorded. And yeah, that's it. Let's see what else. I have so much ideas coming for new content. I just sent you a request. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, my life. Okay, so like I said, today gonna be a real chill day. I'm just gonna edit some vlogs. I'm getting hungry again. See, I knew this was gonna happen. I should never ate this early. Hold on. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog, cause yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna be on live for a couple more minutes, and then that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.